What up, Family Cypher? It's your man Clever in the building, for sure. Team Clever all day. That's how we do. So I guess it's my turn to say something in this Family Cypher, and I'll probably say something like, King Josh started spitting it. Clever started hitting it. Family and friends came behind and started flipping it. Everyone was getting it. No one was quitting it. A couple secret weapons because no one predicted it. My style's the styles of a leader, but no undertone of bad words. It's noun, pronouns, conjunctions, predicates, and adverbs. And I'm clever because I'm gifted. I'm high, but I'm never splifted. I heard a track, thought it was whack, so acapella's how I ripped it. And anything I do for rap, dude, I do it tastefully. If y'all continue vulgar language, I'ma have to bow out gracefully. But that's just me. And I don't know who I need to see, but I want my money. I want 10s, 5s, 1s, all small bill. I take some food stamps. Y'all got the paper food stamps? That's what I want. I'll take the EBT card. I just want to get